That's right. Ego is the enemy. We all have egos. I know I'm guilty of having an ego, and I know you listeners are guilty of having an ego. And I just got done watching the NBA Finals not too long ago. And the Greek Freak, right, from Milwaukee really inspires me. The innocence of him winning, right? The ego put aside, the innocence and excitement of him winning is what really lacks in sports today, in my opinion. We have too many people where their ego gets the best part of them. We see it in sports. They win too much. They feel entitled. They get too good to be for the team. They want, like, everything just falls apart around them. How do you deal with your ego to make better life decisions is my goal on this show. Because I say ego gets in the way of your actions. Wrong decisions are fueled by your ego, comparing yourself with others because of your ego, and a big ego makes you look like a fool. And all of that is so true. You will make decisions in your life, and you already have, based on your ego, and it will steer you in the wrong way. If you take your ego off like a jacket and you set it on the couch somewhere and you focus on what the main goal is there, what is your objection? What is your goal? Where do you want to go? How do you want to be better? What is the end result of that situation, conversation, or question? Then you make the decisions based on the data you have with ego aside. This ain't about your feelings. Life isn't just about your feelings. When you make decisions in life, when you make decisions in business, you got to pull the ego off.